In this video, we will discuss about the mistakes made by foreign investors. Once you feel that, okay, the properties which you purchased is not giving you same rental return, and the property which you purchased is at wrong location, actually, this is your phase. So what you should do when you buy a property, let me explain you. First of all, you have to decide what is your purpose of the investment, and you are buying the investment for property valuation, or you are buying the property for just for rental return. You have to decide why you are buying this property, what you are expecting from this investment. So let's go for a simple example. Which one you will choose? There are two different apartments. One is simple, one is luxury apartment, and one is $100,000, other one is $200,000, but the rental return is same. Which one you will choose? Of course you will choose this one. Don't lie yourself, because right now 80% of foreigners are there choosing this property in Turkey, and then 90% or 80% you will choose this apartment, because you will feel if you buy a luxury apartment you will get more profit, but absolutely it is wrong. And if you don't want to make a wrong investment, initial stage you have to decide why you are buying this property and what is your expectation from this apartments. So I am talking right now just for rental return. Okay, for rental return, the simple apartment, a simple apartment, good location, better than the luxury apartment for rental come in wrong location, because tenants are looking at the location which they can easily go for the job, which they can, if you want to give your apartment for daily basis for tourists, they are looking at some places which is near to touristic places. They can easily go in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes by a transportation or by walk. If your apartment can be very luxury in $200,000, $300,000, but if it is very far from the location, touristic location or city center, then no one will pay you higher rental return. Each location in Istanbul, I'm right now talking about Istanbul, each location in Istanbul has its own maximum rental return. Okay, as I said, right now 80% of foreigners go this option, and probably you will also go for this option. So the other we are telling, don't buy a property just for citizenship. It's a big mistake in which unfortunately foreigners are doing. And they're coming to Turkey, they're buying just this kind of, even worse than this option, they're buying properties because they want to get passport. Anyhow, when you buy this type of 2-3 apartment in $250,000, you will get a passport, you will get a citizenship. So why you are not focusing on your pocket? Because your money is $250,000, you will stuck in this money in your apartment in 3 years. So why this 3 years you shouldn't get maximum profit? Why you should go just for the little return? And why you just stack your amount? Because when you buy the property even over than the market prices, you cannot sell it after 3 years. Don't buy a property just for citizenship. You can get citizenship anyhow once you buy, but become a wise investor and make a right investment in a good location, good properties, and then you can get a citizenship. Additionally, you can get a good profit also. So yes, as you say, invest to make more profit. Don't invest just for citizenship. Citizenship you will get. There is no problem for this. Invest just for making more profit, because after 3 years there will be two options. First option is you will not able even sell your property which you purchased for citizenship, because probably the apartment which you purchased is over than the market price and you cannot sell it after 3 years. So your money will stuck and you cannot sell your property. Secondly, you will not get a good rental return, and even when you sell your property, you will sell it lower than the market price and you waste your money. In the 3 years, you will not get any return. So you will feel it is good investment, but actually it is very worse investment actually. So reading the map, it is in the property investment, location is a key factor. For example, if you can read the map, if you can know the location in the Istanbul, for example, which location is suitable for monthly rental return, then you can buy the property in that location, for example. But if you know the location, if you can read the map, then you can know which location is good for daily rental return. So then you will make a buy a property in that location which is suitable for daily rental return. Or if you can read the map, then you can buy a property under construction and you can expect some property valuation. In the previous video we explained you can invest $200,000, you can get $50,000-$70,000 profit after project complete. If you know the city is expanding in which side, and for the further investment, for the future investment, which location is good, then you can invest that location. That's why the location is key factor. You have to read the market, you have to read the map, you have to know which location is better for investment. So let's suppose there are two gentlemen and they are coming to Turkey for the investment. Let's make your story. Okay, one guy name is Ali, other guy name is Bilal, and Ali is coming to Turkey and he have $300,000 and he want to get his citizenship too. He's buying two different apartments in different locations and he is getting the citizenship plus he's getting his, let's say, two different good rental return apartments. And after 5 years, he is getting $100,000 rental return from his apartments and he's selling his property in $500,000. And with this investment, he is buying multi properties, let's say multi houses, and he is getting huge rental return and his success in this investment in Turkey. What did he have? He invested several apartments and he got rental return, good rental return actually, and he invests again to different apartments, and right now he have multi apartments in Turkey, in Istanbul, let's say, and he become a success investor. In other story, we have another guy, Bilal, is investing $300,000. He's buying one luxury apartment he's feeling it is very, very good location. And after 5 years, he's just getting $30,000 rental return from the apartment. And when he wants to sell this property after 3 years or after 5 years later, he feels that even he cannot sell the property the same amount, because when he purchased this property, he paid over the market prices, because this Bilal purchased the property just for citizenship and he didn't focus on his rental return, and he don't know the location, he cannot read the map. That's why he made a wrong investment. So this guy is failed in Turkey market, he wasted his money, but this guy earned a huge amount in Turkey and he will be continuous investment and he will be a success investor. That's why we're calling be like Ali, become a wise investors. This picture is probably very, very familiar to you. You see it everywhere in the world. You can see it. Even I see it many times. It is sold. Who is selling the cash and who is selling the credit? It is same story like Ali and Bilal. If you are a wise investor, if you make a good investor in the Turkey market, you will earn millions of millions. But if you don't know the location and if you just blindly invest for every property, and you will be like this guy. So now it is your story. You have to choose which one you want to become. You want to become a good investor and make millions of dollars, let's say, or you want to just buy any property and after some time you're losing your investment. I want to close this with word with Mr. Kiyosaki, and he is telling there is no bad business and investment opportunities, but there are bad entrepreneurs and bad investors actually. So you have to choose which one you want to be. I hope you got the idea. So when you buy the properties, just don't buy blindly any property for citizenship. Read the market, read this location, and firstly, understand why you are buying this property, why you are investing, what is your purpose, and what will be happen after 3 or 5 years later when you want to sell this property. I hope you got the information, you got the idea. In next video, I will explain you about rental guarantee and rental trick, because you can maybe see in the Turkey there are many companies are selling you will get 3-year guaranteed rental return in the properties. Actually, it is really rental return, or it is really some, I don't want to call like it is a cheating, but it is like a tricks which you are actually not getting any guarantee profit. It is just like they are taking your money from your pocket without your information. So let's see in the next video.